Still got water in it. We can go, yes, this way. Don't know where that way leads, I'll have to explore.
Oh, I've been down there before.
I've been down there.
I went down there with Frank.
Oh, did you? Look at that, so you can get this through the trees.
Eventually.
This what?
Leads to Boost School eventually.
Does it? Yeah. I didn't know that. I'll have to do that on one of my walks then, I didn't know that.
I don't know quite how we got there though.
Well, I'll check that out.
Walking, and I don't know where we went. We might have gone several detours, but I know we ended up coming out, you know, near the park, near that entrance in Boost School.
Look, it's an official walk. Look, they've got the posts here.
Yeah, I know.
It's now an official walk that's been mapped out. And look, they've levelled all this off. This was all mounted. In the winter we came down, it was just a big mound of earth.
Yeah, but like, that was still sort of moundy.
Oh man, the air tonight, 25 degrees tonight. Anyway.
We haven't had that sort of weather in a long time.
Don't this year, have we yet?
No.
Summer, these are the days, well, that I certainly look back on. When I'm sitting there later on in winter as we're going into autumn, I'm thinking, oh, I look back on these days and think, oh, and this was just the beginning of summer, the birth. And I'd be like, oh, I look back on it. Jack's camera with his box of tricks, it does everything apart from fly to the moon camera.
Some pretty good shots.
Oh yeah, it's looking good.
Yeah.
Let's put those on Facebook.
Yeah. Ooh, good.
Yeah, because Nicola always puts them on so you can see what she thinks. Who does? Anna has to have.
Anna has to have loads of hay fever medicine, and she's still sneezing.
How bizarre.
Well, I think mine's gone for this year. But that's what hay fever does.
Yeah, it does. I just remember I had it for 2 years, 88, 89 I think it was. 2 summers I had hay fever. Never had it in my life, and then there I was. Jack gets it every year. He starts sneezing about March.
I just suddenly noticed halfway through, I was like, what?
Yeah, no, hay fever.
Yeah, I know.
How strange. He must have grown out of it. Mind you, last year, yeah, that would be right, because last year is when you sort of changed, so probably your body's changed. Yeah, it could be right.
Well, lots of people can only get it for like a couple of years.
No more, or Calpol, no more of the, I can't remember what it is now. Pyritol, yeah. No more Pyritol. Antihistamine.
Antihistaminic reaction.
Nuts. Yeah, there's a cat right in the distance. That's where all the cats come out. It must be a cat's paradise. Kitty's paradise out here.
Can you move back a bit? Moving back. Move it.
Chilled to perfection. She's always got that thing sticking up where the umbrella goes. I'm not even vlogging the Spanish and beyond with the San Miguels.
I'll be quiet.
That's brilliant. Neighbours will enjoy that. So it's off to Chris's 40th for a meal at 8:30. Currently 7 o'clock. So it'll be a beautiful evening. That lawn. Mowed it today. Looks good, doesn't it? All stripes. Proper looking lawn that is. Like a golf course. Come on then, Chris.
I've got to repeat it again. It's not going there.
Do it for the park. Do it for the party park.
Come on, there's two straws, come on.
It's for a reason. Was that so you can pick it that bit quicker?
These, not me.
My bestest friends. I was tipsy and I volunteered. But I'm glad I did because I haven't known you, Chris, as long as all of these people have. But sometimes in your life, people come into your life and they make an impact in your life. And I haven't seen you for a while, but that impact stays with you. And I'm so happy to be here tonight with all of your friends, all of my friends, to celebrate your 40th birthday.
Thank you.
And I really, really hope you have a great night and a great birthday.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. Please.
Go on then.
When the customs arrive, where's public speaking?
Wade's gone to the bar.
Thanks very much. I couldn't wish for greater friends to be with us tonight. You've all got your special parts in me and Jules's life, and you all know what those parts are, especially you. And Jay Tucker, Doles, Wayne and Kate, Victoria and Dave, people that I've not mentioned, you're all very special to us, and I really, really appreciate everything you've done and all the support. Let's get this. Correct.
You missed the speeches.
Well, everyone's clapping me in and saying, "Can you believe this?" I've already walked around.
Girls, got the wrong numbers on.
That should be it should be a 3.
It's not working.
What, 43? Do you know I have this trouble?
Dodgy candles.
It's the fan. It's alright, it'll do it.
What's your hand, Kate?
Make a wish.
Blow that out!
I'm not going to get 999. Chris.
You're wrong side, Julie, because it says
Oh, don't get too technical on me. Thank you, that's better. Thank you.
Can everybody have a bit of cake? No, you need to be careful with these, you know.
Yeah, if you just do. Are you going to get to space over?
I'll pull them there. That's lovely, thank you.
Hello to my mum and dad.
Hello, Mum and Dad.
There's your cake. You going home with your cake? Two box, alright. You going?
It's in
Oh,
the
look at
box.
that. Cake's in your box.
It's in my box.
Right. Do you feel any older?
No.
A lovely morning. We should have a look through there. Now, Jack says if you go this way, it takes you up to Booskle. We'll see. Yeah, I've got to get to, this is my walk that I normally do, but I'm going somewhere completely different today, with no cars. Yes, result. I've never been this way, but Jack reckons if you go this way, it'll take you to Bootschool Park, which is in the village, so, next village along. So, I've got to run an errand there, pay some bills, so I thought I'd combine that with my walk, and come come this way and it's beautiful. The only thing is it is cooling down a bit. We've had the most magnificent week. Reminds me of Canaries. It's... Oh, it goes down here, does it? Just walked across there, couldn't I? Great little cycle path around here. I'll have to bring my bike out here in the day. Right, I'm going to check that out. It'll be fantastic on your bike around here. And the thing is, it's just reminded me of the... I've been having a barbie. Just reminds me of the... I keep getting distracted, all these little roots. Yeah, we did get a downpour yesterday at about tea time, just before tea time for about 20 minutes, and it really rained. No cars. So yeah, we're privileged this time of year to have it clear. We've had the sun out. Obviously the sun, between mid-May and mid-June, obviously you're going to get the highest point of the sun. We normally miss the sun's strength because it's overcast, it's bad weather. We've been really privileged to have the direct sunlight, and it's been so hot, it's been lovely. Reminding me of the Canaries a lot. But it is getting cooler this week, and today is cooler. I've come out to about 18 degrees, it's going to be a high of 21. I'm thinking, ooh, in my shorts I feel a bit cool, I should be alright. Get used to it so quickly. Friday's going to be like 15 or 14. I'm going to end up in jumpers and trousers at this rate. This is great along here. Fantastic. Just out the back. It's all here, just literally out the back of my house. It's just wonderful, isn't it? How quiet it is. This reminds me of being a kid. Look at this. This does. Okay, so where does... Jesus, look at that. I've been missing out all these walks. So where does this lead to now then? Woodland Trust. Quick look down here. So it reminds me of being a kid, you know, of the railway, all those years we played as kids. Kids' paradise over the railway all day. It's fantastic. This is paradise. Is that a car coming? No. Bridge. Well, there's a stream. It's getting wider. Never even knew it existed. Honestly, this is a walk from one village to the other that starts literally at the back of my house, more or less. Stone's throw. All this time. All that time moaning about cars coming and the barking dog. Amazing. keep seeing different sights. It's just phenomenal, the nature. Those flowers, or weeds, whatever you call them. To reference where we are, I can see in the distance the back of the scout hut. So I'm heading the right direction. What a better way to do it other than this? All that time. I know where this is going to come out. There's a fairly main road that's going to split the two, and you're going to have to cross it. I'll take you to the park. Sounds like a lawnmower or tractor. Where that is? Oh, it's over there anyway. It's probably farming fields. With one of those yellow posts down here. In actual fact, this is the road I was on about you've got to cross. And that's come up really quickly. If you were to walk down by the road, it's come up really quickly. I'm coming back this way. I've been to the other bit, but we've never discussed. I think this part's all new. So we've been on the other side of the road with bikes and cut through a park somewhere and gone back by the road, but I'm coming down here on my bike as well. Great. So that's the other park. That's obviously what I could hear was the lawns being done on that park. This takes us down over the road to Buskell Park in Blavey, which is, we all went once, me, Nicola, Pierre, we went years and years ago. That's where it takes you. There's another official walk. Right, straight over. That's where I need to be going. There's another official walk. Right, straight over. That's where I need to be going. So this takes us down and then we go right. I'm just thinking, I mean, all that park, I'm going to discover the other way on the way back. You know, that other turning I saw that sort of went up. I'm going to have a look where that goes. But I mean, we could pile over here with a picnic. You know, you could be miles from anywhere, couldn't you? There's a dog walking paths and everything, but I mean, you could be miles from anywhere. Just sit down and you've not taken the car anywhere. Now if Jack's hay fever looks like it might have subsided with his age, no problemo. The Laxton Trail. So the last time we did this was on bikes, but it wasn't tarmacked. Great. Look at that for a sight, isn't that lovely? Cyclist just gone past. Look at this little. What that memorial's in aid of. Now there's a graveyard. It's all very British. It's lovely. Lovely little church. It's some kind of nursery, I don't know. It's lovely. Goes to Wigston. This is a little back road now, so this is the cemetery. So we're back to the cars, I'm afraid. Now that's a nice house, a new build. Some lovely little houses down here. Mum and Dad, if you see anything. Lovely little houses tucked away. We came along here with Nicola and Pierre. This is where we came out of here. It was in the 90s, and it was a bit further down, if you're watching Twig, where you got chased, but nearly got chased by that cow. It was a bull in the field, and I was like, quick, quick! You were running in case it was going to come and get you. And we walked down here. Detached little bungalow, look at that. Bomporto pigeons. That's a tree from the south of France, that is. That's the errands done. And back we go. It's called the Green, little flats. So there's all these little places tucked away, the back end of Blaby, if you're looking. Everyone's getting the flags out, ready for Jubilee. They're everywhere. And we're back out to the country again. Public footpath to Little Glen Road, didn't know that was there. You see so much on foot or on bike that you just do not know. There's so many things I've stumbled across just doing this. It's amazing what you see. Little walkways, little properties, little businesses tucked away. And this place, when did this shoot up? I'm going to have to take my t-shirt off. It's a black t-shirt and it's not a good idea. There we go, it's better. It's getting humid now. Like I say, we had a burst of rain yesterday. It was actually about 3:30, 4 o'clock. And for 20 minutes it just went... It was like the rain in Florida. I thought it was hailing, but it wasn't. It was just really big raindrops. And then that made it really humid afterwards. It's just left a bit of damp in the grass, so it's a bit more humid than normal. So I've just crossed over that little bridge to see where this little path takes us. I think it just runs parallel. Babbling brook. Like I've walked into a dreamland. Mum, you'd love it out here for painting, just sat somewhere out here for the day. You can do it when you come over if you want, I'll bring you. Give you a mobile and you can call me when you're ready to come back. This is the other road I was on about. I'm going to have a look up here, see where it goes to. Out for Greenbelt. Listen to the birds over. I can hear a woodpecker as well. It's like being on a nature, well, it is a nature walk, I suppose. So I've got to say, in Britain, the council do a lot for the countryside. They know people like the countryside, and they create all these walks and cycle paths. And they move things and put signs in, and And it's just a piece of heaven, it really is. You can't knock. It's the way of the future, nature walks, or cycle walks. And so we can go that way, or that way. This way, shall we? It's actually doing me no favours at all, because I'm going to have a bunch of stuff to edit, and it'll be my mugshot on the YouTube thumbnail. It'll be like something like that. I bet it comes up with me again as a thumbnail. There's another gate here now. The cows are looking at me as if to go, what are you doing here? Cows appear on YouTube. Let's see where this goes then. In fact, there's a brown cow. My granddad used to go, hello brown cow. I'm not sure whether it's a bull. Not you guys, it's one over there. I don't think you can see it. You can hear them grabbing the grass. I'm going to be quiet now so I don't grab attention to myself in case it's a bull and it charges over the fence. It's a bridge. No idea where this leads. I'm heading in a totally different direction now. Right, I know where I am. This is a new estate that they're building on the main road between Counsthorpe and Blaby, between the two villages, and this is the back end of it. So this leads back by road. If I come across here, I don't want to go back by road. It's just too nice, so I'm going to double back. I'm just sort of doing a perimeter of the field now to find my way back. It's a long. I thought I'd take the long way, all the way around the edge of the field. Amazed how rural it is around here. I'm just doing a complete perimeter now, going back to where I started. But the trees up there looks like some of them have been cleared. I keep seeing loads of people out. It's everyone's at school, at work, but there's families with dogs and stuff. Not kids necessarily, preschool kids, but dogs and stuff. That woman's just gone with a mother and a kid in the pushchair and about 5 dogs. This perimeter's divided. So I've basically got to walk all the way back up to the start point, go across and back down. Well, it's good exercise, I suppose. I need to be right over there, right in the distance. And that's about the end. About back now. Pleasant little walk. Just before I sign off, this is one of the lakes they have at the back of this country park. It's like the level's dropping in water. Don't know what it's going to be. It's obviously not finished yet. All this is going to be developed after they finish the houses.